In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Terms and Conditions checkbox in Shopify using the Terms and Conditions Pro app. This will help you ensure that your customers agree to your store's terms before completing their purchases, providing an extra layer of security and clarity for both you and your customers. Let's get started on making your Shopify store even more robust and user-friendly. First, let's install the app. Head over to the Shopify App Store and search for Terms and Conditions Pro. Once you've found it, go ahead and install the app onto your store. Installing this app is straightforward and doesn't require any complex setups or prior technical knowledge, so it's perfect for all Shopify store owners. Now that we have the app installed, the next step is to enable its functionality. Navigate to the app's dashboard, where you'll find a toggle to activate the app. By enabling this, you're taking the first important step toward integrating a Terms and Conditions checkbox into your store's checkout process. With the app enabled, it's time to customize the checkbox. The Terms and Conditions Pro app offers various options to tailor the checkbox to fit the aesthetics of your store. You can adjust the text, choose the font and color to match your brand's theme, and configure other visual elements. Personalizing the checkbox ensures it blends seamlessly with your store's design, making it both functional and visually appealing. You'll want to decide where this checkbox will appear in your customer's shopping experience. You have several options here. Some might prefer to display it prominently on the cart page, while others may opt for the drawer option. Consider your store's layout and customer flow to determine the most strategic placement for this checkbox. For those looking for more precision, the app allows you to set up product-specific terms. This is especially useful if certain products or collections require unique terms and conditions. By configuring these settings, you can ensure that customers see tailored terms that apply directly to their purchases. Another valuable feature included in this app is its dynamic checkout protection. The app is designed to prevent customers from bypassing the terms and conditions check, ensuring they can't proceed to payment without agreeing to your terms. This adds an extra layer of assurance that your conditions are acknowledged. It's also possible to customize the alert messages your customers will see. If someone attempts to check out without ticking the checkbox, a message will prompt them to acknowledge the terms. You can personalize these messages to fit the tone and style of communication you maintain with your customers. Lastly, don't forget to link the checkbox to your store's terms and conditions page. This ensures customers can easily access and read the full details before agreeing, promoting transparency and trust. By following these steps, you can seamlessly integrate a Terms and Conditions checkbox into your Shopify store using the Terms and Conditions Pro app, enhancing your checkout process and customer experience.